Thanks for tuning in for guidance. This story is called I'm Like You, You're Like Me, a book about understanding and appreciating each other. You and I are alike in many ways. We may be the same age or live on the same street. We might go to the same school or even have the same name. We are different from each other too. Our hair may be brown or blonde or red or black. Our eyes may be blue or brown or green. Our skin may be dark or light or in between. It's fun to find ways I'm like you and you're like me. And it's fun to find ways we're different. One of us is bigger and the other is smaller. One of us has curly hair. The other has straight hair. I like my body and how I look. My body is just right for me. Your body is just right for you. I was a baby once, and so were you. It's fun to look at our baby pictures. See how little we used to be? I've learned how to do some things by myself. And so have you. We can both tie our shoes. We can both ride a bike. We can both write our names. We have different families. Some families have many people. Some families have few people. We celebrate holidays and special days. Sometimes we celebrate the same holidays. Sometimes we celebrate different holidays. Sometimes we celebrate the same holidays, but in different ways. Even though we're different in some ways, we can enjoy being together. We can show that we like and welcome each other. We can learn to accept each other. I feel accepted when you invite me to your home to play, or when you want to be my buddy as we line up to go to recess. I feel accepted when you say I'm your friend. We can listen to each other. This is a good way to get to know each other better. We can learn more ways we're alike and different. You listen when I tell you a story. I listen to your stories too. I listen when you tell me about something important that happened to you. We can tell each other about things like we like and things we don't like. We can try our best to understand each other. I can tell you how I'm feeling. You can tell me how you're feeling too. We can tell each other what we want and what we need. Sometimes we want the same things. Sometimes we want different things. We can try our best to be kind to each other, even when we don't agree with each other, even when we feel tired or upset. It's unkind to make fun of each other or call each other names. That hurts people's feelings. Let's be nice instead. We're nice to each other when we hold hands, when we say please and thank you, when we take turns, when we give each other help. Sometimes we work together to get things done. We cooperate with each other. We cooperate when we build a sand castle together. We cooperate when we play a game all the way to the end without fighting. When we cooperate, we can do almost anything. We can play together and work together. We can be friends. I'm like you, you're like me, but we're not exactly the same. That's why I like you, and you like me. And friends, that's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed it. When I was done reading this story with your virtual class, we then talked about all of the things that make us the same with one another and then the things that make us different So what I would like you to do in your Seesaw account this week for guidance is I want you to pick someone. It can be anyone you want. It could be your best friend. It could be the grown-up you live with. It might be a brother or sister, a cousin, a coach, a neighbor. Just pick someone. Tell me who that person is. You'll type or write the person's name down, and then you're going to tell me one way you are like this person and one way you are different from this person. For example, I am going to pick my husband, Mr. Running. Mr. Running and I are the same because we both have feelings. Mr. Running and I are different because he enjoys working on cars and I enjoy reading during my free time. So that's just one example, friends. Again, pick someone, tell me how you're like them, and then in what way you're different from them. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure to click that green check mark. I can't wait to see your answer. Have a good day.